How to make money as a student. Making money as a student can be challenging but rewarding. Here are some ways you can make money while juggling your studies. 1. Part-time jobs. Many students work part-time in retail, food service, or customer service roles. These jobs offer flexibility and can help you earn a steady income. 2. Tutoring. If you're strong in a particular subject, consider offering tutoring services to your peers or younger students. This can be done in person or online. 3. Freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or other areas, you can offer your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 4. Internships. Internships provide valuable work experience in your field of interest. Some internships are paid, while others might offer academic credit. 5. Campus jobs. Many universities offer on-campus job opportunities, such as working in a library, administrative offices, or as a teaching assistant. 6. Online content creation. If you're good at creating content, you could start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account focused on a topic you're passionate about. You can earn money through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 7. Sell notes and study guides. If you're a diligent note taker, you can sell your well-organized study materials to fellow students. 8. Delivery services. With the rise of food delivery apps, you can work as a delivery driver during your free hours. 9. Pet sitting, dog walking. If you're an animal lover, you can offer pet sitting or dog walking services to busy pet owners in your area. 10. Sell handmade crafts. If you're crafty, you can sell your creations on platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs. 11. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research studies can provide some extra income in your free time. 12. Photography. If you're skilled in photography, you can offer photography services for events or sell your photos on stock photography websites. 13. Language teaching. If you're fluent in a second language, you can offer language tutoring or conversation practice to others online. Remember that your studies should remain your top priority. When exploring money-making opportunities, consider your schedule, workload, and energy levels. Balancing work and academics is crucial for your success as a student.